Okay guys, John Hevison here, and I'm about to show you guys with all these big reels how to build a shark alarm. I hear a lot of people talking about it, so I'm going to show you how to build a shark alarm so you can protect your investment. A couple of things that you will need, and you can get them from your local Radio Shack. Check it out. A automated flip switch, a toggle switch. I got this one in clear red. Why? Because I like the color red. And plus my LED light that I have, as you can see here, is red as well. I like to color coordinate. So there we go. Also, you'll want to get you a siren. Just a simple siren. Also, you'll want to get you some 9-volt battery connectors. Just a simple 9-volt connector. Okay. Now a few things that I have done pre-made would be: one, drill a hole in the cap. This is just a little conductor box. It has a hole and a hole. These are 1-inch holes. So another thing that I have done, 1-inch pipe. You get the 1-inch pipe, cut you a little piece off, slide right in. Also, it helps project the sound, as you will see here in a few minutes. Also, I have drilled lots of little holes to act as a speaker, as you can see. Also, my little LED light. I have drilled the hole through the cap and through the pipe and pulled the wire through. Now, comes the fun part. We're going to put this bad boy together, and when I put it together, I'll test it out for you, make sure everything is okay. What you want to do, after you drill the hole here, you put your toggle switch in, snug it down, you get all of here. Basically, it's very simple. Check it out. Get your piece that you want to amplify, put it in the bottom half. Press in and make it snug. That's all you gotta do is make it snug. Okay? Next, I will bring this right down, just thread it in, and I'm gonna face it towards the center. Now this here, as you can see, I got extra wires. We're just gonna move it around like this, which you are fine. Also, a little word of advice. If you're standing here like this, and this is facing you at your camp, you say your pole's at the end of this long section over here. You want the siren facing you, and you want the LED facing you. All you gotta do is turn this light. Turn the light. Now the light is facing you at your camp. The siren is facing you at the camp. Or, you have it in front of you, you just straighten it back out. That's all you gotta do. So for right now, we're going to make it straight. Bada bing. Now, you will want to get the siren. Spread the wires apart. Spread the wires apart. And here it is. Here's the secret. We're going to put all the black wires together. All the black wires together. Twist them. Make sure they're good and connected. Now we're going to do the same thing with all the red wires. Okay? Make sure you twist them tight. We don't want no loosey-gooseys off in here, okay? And I'll bend the tips back just a little bit. And I'll show you why in just a second. Okay. Now, we're going to get these little cap ends that will fit onto here. Okay. Okay. Red for the positive. Slide this booger up there. This is the fun part. Let's make sure everything is good. Slide it right up on there. It can be a little tricky, but we will get it. Just gotta make sure you got a little point. There we go. Let's get our crimpers. Crimp that cable right there. Crimp the cable. So now we're gonna do the same thing with the black, the negative. Once you put it in there, we're gonna crimp it shut. Then you're set. We're going to add whoa. That's what happens. You want to put the positive, negative with the negative. We're going to connect the battery. Let's give it a test run. Oh yeah. That's basically it. Now we are going to set this little speaker. We're going to set this bad boy right here at the bottom, down here. And the reason why, speaker out, because you want that sound to travel out that box right there. The battery sets inside there like this, like so. And what I like to do personally, just a little packet, just a little bit. Let's get me a little piece of paper. I know this probably ain't safe, but this is what I do. We're going to pack that dude just like this. Okay? Let's keep them dudes separate. Alright, so now you got that. We're going to set this box just like so. Okay, let's see. No rattling. No rattling. Very good. So now, let me get my screwdriver. Put that one down. Put this one down. Now let's give it a test. You ready? Oh, nice. But I gotta do one thing real fast that you have to make sure that you always gotta do. And that is, I will show you. Let's loosen this up, turn this around. I'm gonna go ahead and take that out. Okay. I'll repack it later. Okay. There we go. So now the wire, the switch is down. Now let's hear it. Ready? Oh, that's loud. Oh, it's loud. Okay. Let me tighten this back down. Always make sure your switch is mounted in the down position, because when it turns on, you want it to go up. So now, that's the way it should look. Just like that. Okay? Watch the light. There it is. Now, you want to get this little hook. See that little hook with the eye? You want to get that little hook. You want to get it started right like so. Grab your pliers. And I have learned it's easier to turn the box other than your little guide. Get it straight. There you go. Now what this is going to do is this is going to allow you to do as such. Here's your rod. That's your fishing pole is in the sand. You got your spike in the sand. You got your fishing pole up top. You want to mount this dude to it. Hook it. Wrap it. You wrap it. Bring it back. There you go. there is your shark alarm. Now, you will have a piece of monofilament that will be like this right here. Let me show you. This is a 130-pound mono with just a little crimp on the end of it. This is a little clip that you can get from Home Depot. They are $1. You want to put one on one side and one on the other. You want to clip this one as such and the other one to your fishing line. So when you fall asleep and your rod takes off, and as you pull the drag, this is what will happen. Take it off, turn it off, put your harness on, and let's fight. Any questions? Good deal. You can let me know if you do. Alright? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Go get cracking.